Hello, in this Kotlin programming video, I am going to show you the continue statement, and this can be used in conjunction with loops. It could be a while loop, for loop, do while loop, doesn't matter. The principle is the same. I'm going to be doing it with a while loop, but like I said, any loop will suffice. So I've got a loop already right here, and it runs, and while x is less than 10, it keeps running. But I've got a break statement which gets triggered if x is equal to 4. So watch what happens. It stops because when x hits 4, as it's getting added, 1 is getting added to every single time, it will break. But maybe we don't want to break out of the entire while loop, we just want to skip that particular pass. So maybe we're doing some sort of calculation, and let me give you an example. So if I change, let's say if I put this as minus 10, and I'm going to say, well, x is less than 10. I'm going to have another value called I. Let's say number equals 100, for example. And I'm actually going to make these as floats, like so. Yeah, okay. So what we are going to do is print out number divided by x. And I'm going to just delete this temporarily and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, we get a point where it hits infinity. And this point occurs because we are doing division by 0. Depending on the actual programming language, Kotlin is pretty forgiving. Depending on the language, the application might just crash. So you want to handle stuff like this. So you don't want to actually just stop as soon as you hit infinity. You just want to skip this, pass of the loop. And if we undo our code here, so when x is equal to 0, we want to not break, we want to do continue. This just says, as soon as it hits this, ignore the rest of the code and go back up here. But what we do need is this right here. So we'll need this, and we'll need to put it here. And we'll still need to leave it here, but we need it there because otherwise it never gets incremented and you'll just keep being 0. So as you can see, it's skipped over the 0 division. So that is a use case of the continue statement. The another thing you can do is a labeled continue statement. This is very similar to the labeled, break statement that we did, where you can trigger a break on a particular loop itself. You can do that with a continue statement. So I want you to, if you haven't already done so, check out the break statement video, then incorporate that labeling with the continue statement. If you have any questions or you find it, difficult running into any problems, feel free to pop me a message and I will assist you. But as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.